Still clicking around like it's 2005. Stop that. Your keyboard has superpowers. And today, I'm giving you the ultimate cheat codes to unlock them. Let's turn you from casual user to PC ninja. Stick around. Shortcut number 17 will save your sanity. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Make a new folder instantly. No more right-click greater than new greater than folder greater than rename. It's 2025. We don't do that here. Alt plus Enter. Instantly see file properties. Want to check a file size or path? No need to dig. Just Alt plus Enter. It's like asking your computer politely. When plus Shift plus S, snip like a pro. This shortcut opens a snipping tool so slick, you'll feel like a screenshot ninja. Slice and share like it's sushi time. Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Open Task Manager instantly. Because Ctrl plus Alt plus Del is for drama queens. This combo skips the menu, boom. Straight to Task Manager. Alt plus F4. Close apps instantly. The power move. And a call. Close an awkward tab. Or escape a boring Zoom meeting like a boss. When plus V. Clipboard history. Ever copied something important, then copied something dumb? This brings it all back. Like a memory card for your Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Reopen your last closed tab. Close a tab accidentally. Don't panic. Just press this, and it's like it never happened. Ctrl plus Z for browsers. Ctrl plus backspace. Delete whole words, backspacing letter by letter. Amateur hour. This is how the pros delete typos. Ctrl plus L. Highlight the URL instantly. Great for those speed typers and tab jumpers. It's like a shortcut for your shortcut. When plus D. Show desktop immediately. Too many windows. Hit this boom desktop. Like slamming your laptop shut, but softer. When plus tab. Timeline and virtual desktops. Want to see your past activity like a tech time traveler? This shortcut's your DeLorean. When plus Ctrl plus D, create a new virtual desktop. When your current desktop feels like a mess, make a new one. Fresh start. No judgment. When plus Ctrl plus left, right, switch between desktops. Multiple workspaces. Slide through them like you're swiping apps on your phone. Only cooler. When plus Shift plus left, right, move apps between monitors. Multi-monitor gang. This is for you. No more dragging windows across Siberia. When plus G, Xbox Game Bar. Not just for gamers. Record, check performance, capture audio. This is your PC secret control panel. When plus Alt plus or record screen instantly. No extra software needed. Just this combo, and you're rolling. When plus P or TSCN, screenshot and autosave. Forget snip and sketch. This saves your screenshot like a responsible adult. When plus plus plus, open magnifier. Zoom in on anything like you're investigating evidence in a detective show. When plus L, lock your PC. Walk away from your desk like a secret agent. Click locked. Ctrl plus Alt plus Del. The odd power combo. Still iconic. Use it to lock, log out, or summon Task Manager when things get weird. When plus Ctrl plus F, find other PCs on the network. Feeling nerdy? Discover connected devices like a digital Sherlock Holmes. Bonus tip: most people don't know half of these, but now you do. So here's the deal. If you learned even one thing today, hit that subscribe button and join the squad. More PC tricks are dropping every week. Don't be the one who finds out late. Ready to level up? Hit the like, drop in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.